This is my gift to you. You know, my mom's real sick. She's in a home in Bakersfield.
Yeah.
Thinking about going nomad. I can spend some more time with her.
You know, there's always a seat at that table for you, my brother.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Bobby.
You let us know if your mom needs anything, Killer.
Thanks.
Hap!
Yeah.
Kill one of his men.
Oh, yes, I will.
What? No! We were paid! We were paid to detain you.
Hey, dickhead. You the one made pancakes?
Yeah?
You gonna clean your shit up?
Now?
Yeah. Now. Who the hell you think's gonna do it?
Your mom and aunt?
Ain't your maids.
Just thought we should load these first.
Go. He hates messy. Yeah.
He's right. Had to be Leroy. He's gotta die. Like alive.
All right, call Gemma. Tell her I need her at the cabin. What do we tell her? That I need her at the cabin. What if she says no? Your mom can, you know, be a little difficult. Are you afraid of my mother?
We all are.
Christ. Yeah.
Lying bitch.
He seems like a nice fella.